Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can find a promo code for Flighthub. In order to do so, here we are at flighthub.com, and what you can do is you can go to ChatGPT, and if you just type in Flighthub promo code, then you will see that ChatGPT can provide you a variety of promo codes that you might be able to take advantage of. It seems to me that the one you might want to use is Flight 25. So if we scroll down here, top codes to try, we could see that Flight 25 will give you 25% off site-wide. Now, you'll have to confirm some of these promo codes maybe for a limited time only, but this is where ChatGPT is actually a really good place to look for coupons and codes and things of that sort. It actually is really good for that. So if you were not aware, ChatGPT is a great place to go for promo codes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, speaking of promo codes, check out the link tree in the description. Click on the link there and you will go and find our socials and top AI recommendations, including promo codes. You can get a promotion for Sintra AI, and if you use Skillcraft 60, you will get 60% off your subscription. And Sintra AI comes highly recommended. It's a fantastic platform that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you and your business succeed. Check it out, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.